Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I'm in roblox.com and I'm logged into my Roblox account, and the first thing that you want to do from here is click onto the gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and then select the settings from the drop down menu. And now here we are in the settings page. Now here you want to make sure that your age is verified and you're above 13, so you can use the voice chat, and then go ahead to the menu on the left and click onto privacy. And from here, you want to scroll down a little bit until you find microphone and camera input section. Make sure to flip the first switch on, which will allow you to use the microphone to chat with voice. So click right here and then click onto the tab that says enable. As you can see, you're going to see a message on the top telling you that the settings got saved successfully. And then I want you to go all the way to the left of the screen and click onto the home so you can go back to the home page of the Roblox website. And now we're gonna choose a game to test whether we can use the voice chat or not. So now I'm gonna click onto the play button. And now here we are inside the game. You're gonna need to click onto the Roblox icon in the top left hand corner of the screen, and after that click onto the settings section. As you can see here, make sure the volume is on max or just on the sweet spot that suits you well, and then you can see this output device option. So if you're using headphones when you play, make sure to let it select it to your headphones, and that's it. That's how to fix Roblox voice chat not working. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.